Yeah, even on that windy road, I'll still be able to. Why are you braking? All they're doing is coming in the opposite way. Nothing in front of you like that. Doing this right now. You like that?
Yeah. You were about to do only one and then you found that you could do three.
Even though I would have been able to do it right here. But why wait?
Yeah, it must have poured like a motherfucker here. It really must have poured. This is the windy road.